Welcome. If you've ever sent a message in an Instagram group chat and immediately wished you could take it back, you're not alone. With the latest update to the Instagram app on PC, unsending a message is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unsend a message from a group on Instagram using your computer. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. Next, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages, where you can see all your recent conversations. Now scroll through your messages and find the group chat where you want to unsend a message. Click on the group to open the conversation. Once you're inside the group chat, scroll through the messages to find the one you want to remove. Hover your mouse over the message and you'll notice 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu of options. From the menu, select the option that says Unsend. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your choice. Click Unsend again, and just like that, your message will disappear from the group chat for everyone. No one will be able to see it anymore. It's important to remember that while the message is removed from the group, people may have already seen it before you unsent it. So, act quickly if you want to minimize the chances of someone reading your message. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily unsend a message from any Instagram group chat on your PC. This new update makes managing your conversations more flexible and gives you peace of mind when you need to take something back. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram and other social media apps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.